Key steps: subclavian line placement, identification of landmarks, local anesthesia at insertion site, trocar insertion and wire placement, exchange of trocar for dilator and catheter over wire, suturing catheter to skin. Place the patient in Trendelenburg's position at about 15 degrees and clean, shave, and drape the skin over the midclavicular region. Identify the key landmarks of the midclavicle and the suprasternal notch by palpation. Inject local anesthetic along the planned trajectory of the catheter insertion, notably anesthetizing the periosteum of the clavicle to avoid pain as the insertion needle passes underneath the clavicle. Insert the introducer trocar at the midclavicular line and pass it under the clavicle, keeping its tip aimed toward the sternal notch. Retract the syringe plunger to create negative pressure so that when entering the subclavian vein, a flash is seen in the syringe. Once this occurs, insert the wire through the trocar, taking care to use the thumb to prevent any air intake into the trocar during transfer as shown. At no time should the operator let go of the wire while it is inside the patient. Insert the wire at least 20 centimeters. Remove the insertion trocar and incise the skin with an 11 blade to allow the dilator to pass easily. Pass the catheter and dilator over the wire as shown. As soon as the wire is visible at the distal end of the catheter, release one hand from the wire proximally and grasp the wire at the distal end. Fully insert the catheter before withdrawing the wire. Then remove the dilator and test the catheter before securing it to the patient's skin with suture. Free-flowing blood through the catheter suggests proper catheter placement. Connect the catheter hub to an IV set and obtain a chest X-ray to confirm placement and ensure no harm was caused to the lung on that side.